Hi all, welcome back. In this video, I am going to talk about the two similar and sometimes confusing English expressions, since and for. These two time expressions are commonly confused in English, but after watching this video, you will have a good understanding of the difference and when to use these words. Let's get started. Let us start with since. Since shows when a past action first started. We always need a starting point with since. So, when you use since, you always need a specific time expression. Let us take a look at some example sentences. The first sentence is they have been playing since 9 o'clock this morning. You will notice that the specific time expression comes after since and it shows when those people started playing. The next sentence is I have been living here since October. The specific time expression here is October and it comes after since. It shows when I started living here. Now let us talk about for. We use for to express a length of time in English. It is used to express duration or how long something has happened. Let us look at some examples. The first sentence is she has been studying for 3 hours. In this case, we have a duration 3 hours and it comes after for. The next sentence is I have been taking medication for 5 months. Again, we have 5 months which shows the duration. How long I have been taking medication. Just look, it comes after the word for. Now let's do a practice. In this conversation, there are two sentences. A says, have you been studying here blank 2020? Remember, when we use a specific time expression, we put since before the expression. So, A says, have you been studying here since 2020? Then B says, no, I have only been studying here blank 4 months. 4 months is a duration. It shows how long this action has been happening. So the best answer here is for. So let us look at the whole conversation. A says, have you been studying here since 2020? And B says, no, I have only been studying here for 4 months. Now you know the difference between since and for. Be sure to practice these two time expressions. They are very important to properly express time and duration in English. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.